Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to log in with Discord token. So let's get into the video. So go to discord.com and go to the login page where you normally log in. So once you're on the login page here, so what you're going to do now, once you get to this page here, so simply on your system click on F12. So click on F12 and that will get you to this developer page here, developer options here, that will enable the developer options. And then go to this tab here, the application tab. Simply click on the application tab, and then once you click on the application tab, under storage you will see an option called local storage. So simply click the local storage, under storage, and then open up the local storage, and you will see this one here, the sub option here. So click on it and then scroll down all the way down where you'll see an empty space here. So simply click on it and then type in token. Okay, type in token on your left bar, on your left column, and on your right column. What are you going to do? You're going to type in your token. Just type in your token in quotation marks. So put in quotation marks, type in your token here, and then close up the quotation mark and then hit on Ctrl R, and that's it. You should be able to log in with your Discord token. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.